We are going to show you a tutorial video on how to apply on various types of textile and leather material using LiquidGlass Textile Protect. First, the surface must be clean and dry. Hold the bottle about 5 cm away and spray. Use a cloth to rub in using gentle polishing motions. Do it part by part. Wipe off any residue on the attached hardware accessories. Leave it air dry for 24 hours. It can be applied on calf leather, on smooth bull leather, on lambskin, raw leather, and etc. First, the surface must be clean and dry. Spray onto surface in a single direction evenly till wet. Wipe off any residue on the attached hardware accessories. Leave it air dry for 24 hours. Can be applied on silk, canvas, cotton, and blended fabric. The nano super hydrophobic layer protects the surface by repelling water and food stain, making it easy cleaning. It also minimizes mold and fungi from growing on the surface.